What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're taking a look again at this Honda Grom, and we're going to be going over the different panels you need to order when you want to do a color swap on your Honda Grom. All right, so there are a couple of different parts that we're going to have to order in order to complete the color swap on this Honda Grom. There are a total of 7 parts and 5 decals that you need to order if you want to do a swap on the Honda Grom. So we have this cover here and this sticker. We've got this piece here with this sticker. We've got this back piece here with this sticker. And then we have this front piece here. So parts total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other side, 6, and in the front right here makes 7. And for stickers, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 for each of the sides, and 1 more right here. So let's go ahead, hop on the computer real quick. I'll show you the site that you can get all the different parts ordered for your Honda Grom to do your color swap.
All right, so here's the website that I was able to use in order to find the parts that I needed for the bike to get the color swap done. So here you can see OEM Parts. We can go to Honda. Then you can go ahead and choose your correct year and model. So we're gonna here go to 2023. Then we gotta scroll down here to get to the Grom. And then now we have access to all the various parts. Now we said that we needed 7 different parts, so we're gonna go ahead and show you exactly where to find those parts. So here is the front fender. As you notice from this diagram, front fender is number 1. So based off of this particular setup here, you can see what's available for the front fender. Now we have different colors that are listed here. So we have the gunpowder black metallic, we've got the pearl queen bee yellow as options, and then we have 2 other color codes that are designated here. But there is your fender part number. Then if you notice on the left, we also have the options to go as well, but we'll go back so you can see exactly where you need to click from a picture perspective. So we've got the fender covered. All right, so we're going to scroll down here, and here is the headlight cover. So based on this particular image, we're going to need part number 7. So when you click on part number 7, you'll get the pop-up with the various options, or you can scroll down and see number 7 here, where again they are designating the various colors that are available for that particular whichever color you're looking to get. All right, so then we're going to go back again. So we got 2 parts covered there. Now if we go down here to the rear cowl, this is where you'll see the back part of the bike here, part number 1, and again the various colors. Now I am going to show you a reference I found that lets us know which color is which type, because there's really no real way to know based off of the website. So that's 3 different parts we covered there. So we need to cover the last 4. So the last 4 parts can be found right here. So here we have the side cover. So part number 3 is what you're going to be looking for, 2 and 3. So 2 would be the looks like the right side, and 3 would be the left side. Again, you're going to choose the correct type based off of the color you're looking to get. All right, and just to the left of the side cover is the shroud section. So here, now we're looking at part number 4 and part number 5. And again, if you scroll down, you can see the various types here for each one of those. So let's go ahead and we're going to add some of these to our cart to kind of see roughly what it's going to cost to get a black set. So in this particular instance, the black is going to be type 1. So we're going to go ahead and add these to our cart and build that out. All right, so if you're looking to get the stickers here, if you click on the Mark at Stripe section here, you can see the various stickers. So here we have 2 stickers. These are for the side covers, part number 7 and part number 9. Then we're going to have the part number 1, which goes at the back of the cowl, and then part number 2 and 3 for the side covers. All right, so you can see here in our cart, we have a total of 12 parts. Now, you may or may not want to buy the stickers. That is up to you, but Looking at this with standard ground shipping, which is free, all you're going to do is pay your state tax. It looks like it's roughly going to be about $100 and let's say $60 to do a color swap on your Honda Grom. Here's some information I came across that lists out part numbers by color. I'm not sure if it's 100% accurate, but I did do quite a few part number checks and it seems to be correct. I will also leave a link in the description for this particular image, but I also made a summary that you can see right here. All right, so here I'm going to show you real quick. Some of the parts have come in, so I want to thank Motorsport for getting these parts shipped out pretty quickly here. See, this is my shroud. All right, so there it is. Oh, good to know. These parts actually already come with stickers, but if you are going to end up repainting, changing the color for any reason, you're going to need new stickers anyway, so these are going to have to get peeled off. But there you have it, folks. There is the information. So again, it looks like these parts do come with stickers. Let's go ahead and check one more part here to see if the stickers come on that as well. All right, and so these stickers also do come on the parts as well. Good to know. They don't tell you that on the site, but now you know. Unless you need a different color scheme of sticker, the sticker is going to come on your part, so you do not need to order the stickers. Another thing is, it looks like these shrouds do not come with the little tabs that clip in, so if you need extra tabs, you have to order those as well. So that's it for this video. I still have some more parts that need to show up, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.